Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your default homepage in Google Chrome on a PC or laptop. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, it's actually fairly easy. Actually come ahead and open up a new Google Chrome browser. You're going to see that at the moment I've got this as my homepage. This is what comes up. So what we need to do is first of all go to the page that we want to set as our default homepage. In this example, I'm just going to go to youtube.com. And then the first thing we're going to do is just select the address in the address bar at the top here. Right click and then come down and click copy. What we need to do next is actually come to the three dots, which is up here in the top right hand corner. Give that a click and then go ahead and click onto settings down here. So once we've done this, it's going to bring you to the settings page. So what you need to do from here is actually click on Startup, which is this option in the menu on the left hand side. And then from here, what you need to do is actually click on the bottom option if you select this radio button. And it says open a specific page or set of pages. And then what you need to do is actually click this one, which says add a new page. And then hit Ctrl and V or right click and click paste to add the website, the URL. And then go ahead and click the blue add button. So that's now been set. So you'll see what's going to happen. If I actually close down my Google Chrome browser, and if I actually go and reload it, it should actually load up onto YouTube. And you can see straight away when I've opened the browser, that's actually now my default page. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.